We're gonna see if we can check out Furnace Town over here. It says it's open April 1st through October, but we saw a bunch of people in there. So we're gonna see if we can go in there and check it out for you guys. This is the original church from the legend from the trail by the cemetery that we've gone to. We'll go there in a little bit. The Loblolly, whatever plantation. It was harvested and regenerated in 1976, after which it was donated to Furnace Town by Pulp Wood Company as part of the Furnace Town Stewardship Plan. It was commercially thinned in 1997 by Chesapeake Forest Products. Future packaging includes. Okay. Alright. Alright, guys. There it is. We're going to go in here and see if we can look around. I've always been curious about this place. Alright, well, we did get permission to be able to walk around. We can't go in the buildings because it is off season. But this is a historic little town that's redone up for, like, tours. How life was here. What did it say? Early 1800s. We'll get over to the furnace here in a little bit. I guess that's a
garden area.
Garden area.
Like a trellis.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, wow.
It's a grinder.
Oh.
You put your grains in here.
Grind it up.
And then that's a press.
So you didn't have to take it to the miller or
mill,
whatever.
Yeah.
There's another garden over there.
With the
Concord grapevine. Should have, you would think it has what it says. The old schoolhouse?
Yeah.
Scenic route. What? We're going to have to check out those maps.
I was the one who figured out it was a schoolhouse.
How did you do that, Miss Know-It-All? I don't see the school bell.
What?
That's a pretty big schoolhouse.
Got a U.S. flag hanging there.
Yeah, that would be the school. You can actually tell because of the way it looks.
Well, it kind of looks like a church, too.
That's the exact reason.
Well, a lot of schools and churches did look similar. Or were the same place.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they don't open.
This was probably they've been closed.
That's a, I guess we can walk this way too, yeah.
Oh,
No, that's just a sinkhole. I don't know. There's a plaque over there. There was something there.
That was the foundation for the building.
A couple of them. Let's see what the plaque says. Yeah, there's like mounds.
Mansion house.
Mansion house?
Only the foundation and the basement area remain of the house built by Thomas Spence for his new wife
Eleanor Norse Ellicott Spence.
with broad.
Alright, we are. Wow. Okay. Alright, that's cool.
This is probably
It's probably part of it too.
the
Something.
basement.
What was that?
That was an area where they did a public dig. Archaeology.
Oh, okay. That was a mansion. That's what's left of it.
That was just the first one.
Oh, we didn't walk up to that one. And they're off. They're gonna sleep good tonight.
Smart pills.
What?
There were smart pills out there.
Oh. What was that? Oh, it might have been part of. Yeah. Ooh, it's windy. Let's walk over this way, girls. Well, we'll get to all that. I mean, there's stuff over here, and then we'll get to the furnace. The old furnace. This would be a pretty place to have a wedding in the spring, summer, even early fall. Oh, yeah. Definitely.
Picnic area.
Yeah, it's just a picnic area. It's just a little shed. What? Oven remains. I guess they do something here during the...
Grandma's old stove.
Yeah. Ooh. That old stove.
Old wood cook stove.
The old oven remains.
I can't have one of them. I'll burn everything. More so.
No, the house would probably burn down.
You're right. 1788 was Furnace-town. I wish we could go in the buildings. We'll have to come back during season. I'd like to see inside. Huh? Weaving house?
I want to read it. Missy on Sweet Kids 2000 to 2020.
Let's see. Huh. Was that Furnace? Yeah, that's Furnace-town. So that's all the stuff around. Where's the furnace? I'm blind.
I am too.
The big
I'm
casting arch.
Oh. Okay.
Warehouses.
Warehouses. What were they used for? Store the ore and stuff?
The store. Yeah.
Yeah, that one up there is the church.
Yeah.
Okay. And what was this? That's kind of with the windows. What does that say? Okay.
Yeah, that's the grist mill. It's the wheel.
Yeah.
Sawmill and Jam and Pond.
Yeah. Ooh, I feel raindrops again. Oh, there's a wolf in there. Walk up on the porch. Walk up on the porch. Oh, that's a bear. No, that's a dog.
Is it real?
It was.
Museum.
I saw a wolf over here. A white wolf. There's a wolf in here too, and a bear.
Ooh, it's a pretty wolf. That's probably the mansion.
No.
Dollhouse. Inside. Oh, there's the furnace. I see the furnace.
What does this say?
Museum.
Did they rebuild that?
The walkway up. I don't think that's original to the mill or to the furnace, honey.
Hopefully it
They did it so people can get up there to visit. More wheels. More gardens. Where are you going?
Do you think in April you could come back here
April, May. We
and
could
take
probably
pictures of those for me?
take pictures of what?
Of the little things with the information on them.
Well, why don't we just bring you back? And we can go inside the buildings. She said, "You think you can come back in April and take pictures of the plaques for me?" I'm like,
I just
why?
need the information.
Well, why don't bring you back and you could take the pictures?
Exactly.
Oh,
Careful.
okay. How in the world did Cheyenne get over there?
She didn't.
Print shop.
Yep, behind you. That's where they printed their local newspaper.
Mm-hmm.
Farm Implement Building.
And considering the buildings are all closed, they seem to be enjoying it, Daddy.
Building.
Now this looks like the schoolhouse.
Broom house.
Nope.
Because it's got the bell.
It's the broom house.
Broom house. What the hell you use a broom house for? Holds all the brooms? Oh, it makes brooms. Okay. I didn't know they had several houses for everything.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool.
Blacksmith shop. That'd be me.
Oh, okay. Thought I heard voices. Where's Sierra?
This is the broom house.
Yeah. That's
Make
where they
brooms.
make brooms.
Blacksmith.
You want to go up top first or down the bottom first? Northern red oak, white oak.
I'm happy. I'm having the time of my life.
Well, good. We'll bring you back when they're actually open. I didn't think you would actually enjoy stuff like this.
Because this could also help with my class.
Oh, that's right. You're taking that advanced history class, aren't you? Sure, there's critters living in there.
Can't read one of those.
Oh, casting arch. Okay. It's casting arch. That's what it says. Tell you about it.
Yeah, but people decided to.
There's water wheels down
I
there.
bet that's the people that
Died.
Built it.
built it.
There's another one. Yeah, I think they had it on all the sides.
It went straight through. You can
Yeah, I can see the other side.
It means opening in French.
see. There's the remains of what was left of the water
Not
wheel.
Spanish, it's French.
Down it was footings.
Yeah.
Water wheels right here.
Yeah.
They are.
Huh.
Guess what?
Well, honey.
There's something on here I already knew. That this meant opening in French.
Well,
And there's
Good.
the trail.
you learned more French than I did in school.
I didn't even learn that in school.
Well, then how'd you learn that?
An anime.
Oh, my goodness. I thought anime was Japanese, not French.
Excuse me, whole thing is in Britain, and it's not Japanese.
Oh, look at that cute little arch.
They used to make these for their weddings.
I don't see anybody standing underneath of it.
No, they would stand in front of it.
Those carts. Uh-huh.
Carry the iron ore and the oyster shell and stuff to the top of the furnace.
Oyster shells.
Yep.
Okay. Oh, these are all the donors. Yeah, the wood's a little slippery, so be careful. Huh. National Historic
mirror.
Mechanical Engineering Landmark. Nassawango Iron Furnace. 1828 to 1850.
So, 22 years.
Alright, we got the Blacksmith Shop. You gotta go potty?
She said that one house.
I can't really see in there. Oh. Oh. We done lost the children. Haha, it is. Necessary house.
I found out where they killed the hogs.
Okay, we'll look. They're still usable.
A working outhouse.
Huh. You can still use them.
Look at a urinal in the corner.
Ew, I wouldn't use this. That toilet paper's covered with something and spiders and
You're not supposed to use those.
They actually got toilet paper in there.
Yeah.
You really do use them.
Well, yeah, over there. They kill the hogs using that tripod thing.
Uh-huh. There's the church.
That is.
This is the original church from the legend from the trail by the cemetery that we've gone to. We'll go there in a little bit. This is the one with the heavy Bible that they were able to move the church. No. This is the church. I gotta look.
Bible is still on the
Podium.
podium.
That would make sense if it's the only way it could be moved is with the whole church.
The whole church moved.
I got
They
flares
didn't-
and dirty windows.
They didn't disassemble the church. They just jacked the church up and moved it.
Huh. This is the one that the heavy Bible, that nobody could remove the Bible. You think the Bible's on the podium?
Probably fell.
Sierra thinks the Bible's on the podium.
It doesn't say how.
No, but during the research I found that they moved it here. And that's the only church here. And if you do
You found soap.
paranormal tour, I think,
Yeah.
they will tell you about it. Because they do that, I believe, in October. And they do offer group paranormal investigations sometimes, I saw, with the Chesapeake Ghost Tours.
I think you should do that.
I don't want to do a big group thing. I'd rather do my own tour. Harrison Building.
Why is there soap?
I don't know. Guess to help with the bugs and stuff. Squirrels! These squirrels, they're not the vampire squirrels that Dustin likes. Or Tim. Wagon.
That thing.
This is the wagon shed. I'm talking about the wagon. Use that.
And this is where you said they butchered the hogs.
Yep. That's your cauldrons, Mommy. Killed the bugs there.
Hog killing. Yeah, it says right there on the...
This label, really? Leave it alone.
Yeah, for fat and stuff. Scoop out fat.
Out of the cauldrons?
It's not a cauldron. It's a pot.
Cauldron.
Basically the same thing. Well, that's it for Furnace Town. We done walked the whole thing. Hopefully we can come back. What? Where in the world is she going? Oh, we missed one. What is it, Cheyenne? Ah, store used to be there. Alright. Okay, that was our little trip through Furnace Town. That was kind of interesting. Definitely have to come back when they are open. I'd love to go into those buildings. How about you guys?
Yeah.
You were scared of the wolf? Why would a living wolf be in a building, Goofy?
By itself.
So we're off. I'm not sure where we're going. So we'll have to wait and see.